What's up, y'all? It's trade recap for May 16th. So going into the morning, I noticed that we had taken out this CRT low. So once I noticed this candle right here didn't close below it, confirming price wants to go higher. And we are also inside of this 4-hour bullish fair value gap. So that was my confirmation that we were going to go higher. So I went into the 5-minute to look for my turtle soup, and as you can see, we had this turtle soup right here. The low was taken on NQ but not on ES. As you can see right here, this low, it was taken, confirming the soup. And so once we closed above these two candles confirming the order block, I got in right here, targeting this high right here, which is just a little bit above the 50%. So got out right here, and then price ran up to take out the 8:30 news candle high. So that was the recap for today. Let me know if you guys have any questions.